Hi, I'm Eric Lanask. We are here in Fort Lauderdale at ITEXPO. In the studio with me is Roman Kolenko from Porta. Roman, thanks for joining me. Good to have you here.
Thank you, Eric. It's my pleasure to be here.
So, what's the latest? What are some of the things that Porta is seeing that really is influencing what you're doing in the market?
I would say it's still the increase and emerge of MVNOs, mobile virtual network operators, people who provide niche service to wireless customers of different sort. We have recently completed a very big project in the Chicago area, in Illinois, where there is an MVNO working on Sprint network. So what they are doing is a bit different from the rest, because they only provide data service on the Sprint network. On that data network, they provide voice over IP over that data network. So there is no traditional GSM call. It's only pure voice over IP. And we provide the platform which is able to authenticate and authorize the customers to do the call rating and accounting, and also manage the call flow through the voice over IP network.
What does it take for an MVNO to be successful? Because over the years we've seen MVNOs come and go. Some have succeeded and done very well. Others just don't seem to gain any traction.
I believe there are two aspects to success for an MVNO. Well, at least what I see from the vendor point of view. First of all, and probably the most important thing, is to find the right niche and formulate the right product proposition for that niche market. If this is something that MVNO can achieve, they can then build their success on choosing the right platform, on something which is robust, which is workable, which enables them to build their customer base and serve them securely and with very high level of reliability.
What are the biggest challenges that you're seeing your MVNO customers having to face?
The biggest challenge would be finding the right configuration of vendors who work together and make sure that different pieces of the technology solution which backs the MVNO's networks work together seamlessly. So that's what we've been trying to do with multiple vendors like Huawei, Lucent, Cisco, and so on.
So by virtue of that, then, you're able to, do you find yourself being able to help those customers with those challenges?
Of course. This is exactly what we are trying to do for the last couple of years, working with mobile network operators. We make sure that we have very good working contacts with the providers of the wireless equipment and make sure that our platform easily works and understands all the parameters and protocols the proprietary equipment of those vendors have.
There's one thing that I haven't heard most billing solutions talk about, and that's Bitcoin. What influence is Bitcoin or other forms of cryptocurrency having on providers like Porta and others?
It's a good question, because we just developed a few months ago an ability for our customers to charge their end users in Bitcoins. It's just another opportunity for people to find a niche, to find an attractive proposition. So Bitcoins are interesting for those who want to stay anonymous and want to make sure that all transactions are done on a very secure level. So if that's available, we must offer that to our customers so they can take advantage of this opportunity. And when we developed it, it was accepted very highly by many of our customers.
How difficult was it for you to add Bitcoin to your offering?
Not more difficult than adding any other payment processor. It's basically what we do. We write the code and we integrate stuff.
Is there a demand for it?
Yes, because we got a lot of very positive answers to that when we developed it. But we'll see how cryptocurrency evolve, because they're only starting to be kind of a household name. It's
right.
Probably too early, but as an option, it's very interesting.
Certainly some exciting developments for you. Anything that you can talk about looking forward into the future that you've got on the horizon?
We will probably announce later this year the availability of our platform, not in a private cloud as we have it right now, but in a public cloud like Oracle, for example. So before our main concern was the latency for some of our customers, because not every cloud provider is able to offer the data centers pretty much on a global level. So cloud providers like Amazon and Oracle, they're expanding their network of data service, and this allows us to offer it on a global basis as well. So the customer in South Africa, for example, wouldn't have to send their calls to Texas and back to serve their customers locally.
Certainly sounds like a very worthwhile project. Is there enough trust in public cloud to be able to do that?
I think it's not totally ready yet, and there are many countries where the legal system will require service providers to have at least part of the infrastructure on site in that particular country. But in some markets, like in the United States, it's still, I believe it's already available as a very broad offering.
Got it. Excellent. Well, certainly some exciting times for you. We wish you the best, and keep in touch. Let us know what's going on.
Thank you very much, Eric.
Roman, it's been a pleasure.
Pleasure is all mine.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.